Welding copper details you conduct with ordinary water. For welding, use a cotton torch after attaching the welding nozzle. With a combination wrench, you will deepen the cathode using the welding template. When welding copper details with a thickness of more than 3 mm, you must use mode 2, and we recommend setting the current indicator of mode 1 to position 2. For the filler, use copper wire. First, warm the welding point. Use a soldering method for copper details up to 3 mm thick. If necessary, increase the rate of welding.